While we are experts at cars, we here at Kelley Blue Book are not health experts, but we do want to help keep you healthy. So, channeling knowledge from the Centers for Disease Control and other experts, here are some ways to minimize the COVID-19 threat in your car. It should be obvious that the COVID-19 virus can't hurt your car, but it can live in your car's many surfaces. Probably shouldn't touch that. If you want a clean car, and I hope you do, household disinfecting wipes are one solution, as long as they don't contain bleach or hydrogen peroxide, since those chemicals can damage plastic and vinyl surfaces. A solution of 70% isopropyl alcohol and water will also do the trick, as will simple soap and water, especially if you have a leather interior but no leather cleaner handy. Heads up, ammonia-based cleaners like Blue Glass Cleaner here can damage your interior, so save it for the glass. Every surface you touch or might have sneezed on should be wiped down. Pay extra attention to the steering wheel, as your hands are on that the most. But other places such as knobs, HVAC controls, turn signals, wipers, the rearview mirror, door handles inside and out, seat adjustment knobs, the gear shifter, the seatbelt definitely, and your touchscreen should get cleaned. Please be thorough. One word of warning, I'm told that if you keep your hand sanitizer in a hot car, it can boil over, creating a bigger mess. That doesn't really bother me. I mean, it's gonna be a very clean mess, but if it bothers you, just keep one of these little guys in your pocket. So clean. If you need to venture outside, those same disinfectant wipes used on the interior also work on groceries and takeout bags. Most importantly, wash your hands regularly. If your hands are dirty, you're putting germs right back onto whatever surfaces you've already cleaned. Again, we're car people, but we want you to be safe. So clean your car, stay at home if you can, and if you're not sure what to do, cdc.gov is an excellent resource.